Hello, my people. Good morning, good evening. Yes, according to your time zone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Oh, good afternoon. Yes. So if you're watching this video during afternoon, of course, good afternoon, my darling. Welcome to our Start Small and Grow Big project that we're really talking about this time. Yes. When I say start small and grow big, I mean whatever money you have at your exposure, maybe in your bag, in the bank, wherever you are. Yes, when you start small, definitely you're gonna grow big. But what are we going to start with? You know, I've had issues with people asking me, I have the money, but I don't know which business to do. Yes, being a business consultant, I think if you need private counseling about your business, yes, don't forget to write to me on this WhatsApp number. Just write down there, and that is going to be your first contact number. Just WhatsApp me. That's what I'm talking about. Tell me where you're coming from, who you are, and what you really want to do. If you're outside of the country, we can schedule an appointment. Yeah, we can have a video chat, or we can also have an audio chat. Tell me what you really want to start, how much money you have, where do you want to do your business. Exactly, we're gonna handle that. Yes, I have helped quite a lot of people to start. Now it's your turn to start small and grow big. Can you imagine? There are a lot of people who have money, but they cannot start anything. Okay, and where are you keeping that money for? Don't forget, whenever you have money and you are not investing the money, yes, you're doing yourself a disservice, because in future you're gonna regret. You know, things are really turning out to be a problem. A lot of people are fighting with the technology that we have. AI is all over. Even those who have started, you know, like a lot of you have started work, but you don't even know how to do it. You understand what I mean? Yes. What is happening with AI? By the way, I'll be bringing you someone very expert in AI. Yeah, I think that gentleman is a software engineer. He knows a lot about AI. He's gonna tell you how AI is affecting the entire world, how we are suffering definitely to do things because of AI, and how students are losing jobs because of AI. Yeah, but earlier the better. I think earlier the better. Now let's go shortly and watch this video. I've seen something that has really caught my attention. Time is gonna come, and I think no, let's first watch. Yeah, let's watch this and then come back. Can you imagine? Look at that shoe, just made by a machine. Robots are taking over, right? Yes. Welcome back from watching that. Now, just imagine, have you seen how something is just done? Just imagine who wants to employ you when a machine can do it just within the shortest period possible. Who would love to employ you? You know, this is what we are talking about. AI is taking over. It has been there before, but now it's even more than you can imagine. And that's what we are saying. Please start with the little money you have. Just start up your job. By the time you're done with the school, it's gonna be hard. Now I'm talking about the students. By the time you're done with school, it's gonna be hard to get that job. And if you are done with the school, university, oh my God, guess what? I have some of university graduates who were consulting me and asking me what is happening. We started, but nothing is happening. We have done this, nothing is happening. We are looking for jobs now. Let me give a simple advice to those of you who are graduating. Instead of wasting money, you know, making parties, graduation parties, it's high time you started knowing that it's not about partying. No, 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 no. Life is not about partying. Just get the little money you have and do, you know, start up something. But a lot of money you are spending on that party, it's gonna cost you big time. After the party, then what next? You're gonna start looking for jobs which don't even, you know, like exist. Yes. Jobs are not existing. In the comment box below, people tell me. I need to have someone telling me, no, jobs are there, but this is what we need to do. Yeah, if you know you have a job, please, let's link up to some people who really want to give people jobs. I'm giving you my platform to just come and say, okay, I have a job. Just make sure you're not a scammer, because if you're a scammer, definitely you are not welcome here. If you have a job and you need people to take over your job, okay. We have some graduates who have not started anything. They don't have a capital. They want to do something so they can start, something with a capital. Just write me down there. Tell me which kind of job you have so we can connect and link up. Okay, yeah, a lot of people are looking for jobs, seriously, but I always say start small and grow big. One of my friends asked me, yes, the concept is good, starting small, but how are we going to grow big? You see that? Yeah, that one is also a big thing to think about. How are we going to grow big? I think that question was not the right question to ask. The first question that she would have asked me was, how are we going to start without capital? Okay? So when you have started and you feel like there is no job for you, look for any other job. Forget about the degree you have started. Forget about the diploma you have studied. Okay? Now here we are looking for capital. Do anything as long as it's decent. Yeah, I think sometimes when I'm talking to people, I tell them you can do any job. A decent job means you are not stealing. You are not embezzling someone's funds. You know what I mean? Just work and then be paid. That's the decent job I'm talking about. So if you can be paid however little it is, forget about your degree, your diploma. What we are looking at here is to have starting money. And the moment you have it, here we are, start thinking of which job you are going to be doing. Okay, yeah, let me also show you something. Why do I say that robots are taking over? Why do I say that we need to study a computer? What do I say? You need to do something like in connection with AI itself. You need to know how the world revolves, okay? Now, if you don't know how to use a computer, I think get someone who's going to help you do that. Online lessons are just right there waiting for you, okay? Get an online lesson. Don't tell me, okay, how am I going to do this? How am I going to have this program, run? No. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about online learning. We have a lot of online learning that is going on and free of charge, okay? I'm also a student of AI and I'm yet to finish AI, guys. It's really so helpful. The more you dig deeper, the more you get to understand that, oh my God, things are not the way you think, okay? So all we need to do is to wake up, understand that things are really changing. Please, if you have graduated and there is not that job that you're looking for, go look for any other job. There are a lot of jobs you guys call dirty, but for me, I think no. It's not all about how dirty the job is. It's how much you're going to be paid, and then later what are you going to do with that money, okay? Don't forget, the concept is start very, very small and let's grow big. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now let's watch this video again and see how the world is really becoming very difficult to live in. Robots are taking over. After looking at that video that you have been watching, what did you realize? What came to your mind? Do you remember some time back, harvesting was done by people, but nowadays harvesting is done by machines? Now you're clicking what I'm saying. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. Am I talking to someone there? Yes. If I'm talking to someone out there, let me know in the comment box below if you really on the same page with me or if you agree with me. Initially, it was about people go work on farms, but now machines are taking over. Robots are really taking over. That's why I bring this small, short clips for you to understand what I'm really talking about. They are harvesting. And now just imagine someone who thought, yeah, I did agriculture, I'll go do some maybe I'll work on a farm, I will do some harvesting, and I'll be given money. Now things are really turning up to be hot. Yeah, things are turning up to be hot. Now, to avoid being disappointed, why don't you, if you have a piece of land, why don't you start by planting your own pineapples? Instead of working on someone's farm who has already robots, okay? And anytime you know it, your job is not secured. It's gone. It will be gone. By the time you know it, it will be gone, okay? Just look what is happening for sure. Seriously, look at what is happening, okay? Machines are literally doing everything. What will happen in the next 5 years? For those of you who have predicted and know what AI is trying to affect the entire economy, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, if you have land, please start by planting your own stuff. Sell them. Let's get capital. No? Yeah, let's turn to food. I know we have cash crops like coffee. Yes, in Uganda, most especially in Uganda, we have cash crops like coffee, but then it's not all about coffee alone. How long does coffee take to grow? Yeah, of course, you can plant coffee and then let's do a little bit of mixed farming. Put beans that you can sell. You know, beans take like 2 months to grow, 2 to 3 months to grow, and then you'll be selling that as you wait for your coffee beans to get ready. And then maize. Yes, everyone takes posho in East Africa, I think around the world. Tell me, in your country, do you take posho? So if I'm talking about posho, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, maize, you know, maize flour. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. So corn in United States, they told me they don't call it maize in United States. It's corn. Okay. Now corn, whatever you call it. Sell corn, grow corn, you know. You don't have to look for food no more if you're really good at having that. Okay. Matoke, bananas, just grow bananas, guys. Yeah, so if you have land, make use of your land. Don't leave land dormant, because in the next few years you're gonna regret why you did not listen. I told you I make this video a little bit shorter because you are business people, you don't have time to watch a lot, but what matters is I tell you what you need to know and what you need to understand. But before I leave, let me just talk to those who think they're going to work in someone's factory. Maybe they would do packing and everything. Even packing is made by robots. Can you imagine that? Let's watch that video shortly and then you see what I'm talking about. You see how the packing is made? Look at that, guys. I'm really now turning to be a bit scared for the new generation, you know, for the children who are being born. I mean, sometimes at a point you may ask yourself, why are they even going to school, you know? Why? Because they feel we are working, we're going to be working. You know what I'm saying? You know, like you're studying, you're looking for a job, and by the time you're done, there's a robot that is doing your job. But of course, that's why I came up and said, no, let's start small and grow big. Start with what you have. Don't mind which job you have studied. Of course, I may say, yes, study the job that you really want. But maybe by the time you're done studying that job, there is no job. Maybe a robot has taken over. Guys, I'm not trying to scare you. No. I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm trying to give you a reality check. Now, for you, if you think I'm scaring you, don't mind. Time will catch up with you in a corner somewhere there. Time is going to catch up with you. Okay, guys? Yes, don't sleep. Don't relax. Make research. Which are the best jobs to study in this era? And then do something to get capital so you can start something you can sell. In future, you're going to be, you know, you'll be the best person to tell us that you understand why I was making these videos for you, okay? So don't forget to like. If you've really liked this video, leave a small comment, beautiful and a little bit shorter. People don't want to read quite a lot, guys. Yes, and if you wanna learn how to start up a business, I wrote you a book. This book is a fool seated on gold. We have a lot of fools sitting on their gold. Yes, what do I mean? This expression is so deeper than you think. Don't look at yourself as a fool, but remember, if you are seated educated on gold and you know how valuable gold is, then in that context you become a fool. So in this book, I'm sure as it is there, you're gonna understand and learn. It's only 30,000 Ugandan shillings, and in dollars we shall pin it down there. Yes. So if you want to learn how to do a business, please buy that book, which business you're going to be doing, and proposals, writing proposals. Of course, you're going to like it. I'm sure of that. And if you don't want to read, you're this kind of person who doesn't read, I told you when this video was starting, please write me on WhatsApp at +256 78 1001. Let me help you starting your business at a very less fee of consultation. Until next time, let's meet in my next video. Bye.